What's up guys, this is Shan Haider, and in this video we are going to have a detailed review of Nuraphone Active Noise Cancellation headphones. So we will talk about its design, features, build quality, audio quality, battery life and all of its pros and cons. But before we start, if you're new to this channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. So first of all, let's start with the unboxing. Inside the retail box of Nuraphone, you will find the Nuraphone headset, a 3.5mm aux cable, a USB cable for charging the Nuraphone, some silicone tips for the earbuds, and a carrying pouch with some silicone gels. Talking about the design and build quality, the very first thing you will notice about the Nuraphone is that it does not come with any physical button. Another thing is that it is the combination of an in-ear earbuds and an over-the-ear headphone. It is a hybrid design, and because of this combination, it provides amazing and very impressive passive noise cancellation. Since there is no on-off button, Nuraphone totally relies on the performance of the sensors for turning on or off the device. The overall build quality is quite nice and it looks pretty sturdy. On both left and right side, we got this touch sensitive part with Nura branding that you can use to perform the touch controls to perform all kinds of activity. The headband is quite nice, it's soft, smooth and quite comfortable and provides a very secure grip while using the Nuraphone. The ear tips of Nuraphone are flexible, as you can see, so it can easily fit on different ear shape and size. Unlike many in-ear earbuds, Nuraphone is quite comfortable and you can use it for longer period for listening music without facing any issue. It comes with a special port that is used both for charging and connecting the audio auxiliary cable. And since it comes with this a special charging cable, if it gets lost, you won't be able to charge your Nuraphone and you will have to get this special cable. But one very interesting point of the charging port and this charging cable of Nuraphone is that if your Nuraphone is connected with your smartphone, then it will start charging as well, and this is a very clever and creative design idea. To use the Nuraphone, you will have to use the Nura smartphone app to set up your profile, do all of the customization, create your special hearing data, customize the touch control options, disable the active noise cancellation or the social mode. You can create a maximum of 3 different audio profiles, so one Nuraphone can be used for 3 different people and it will provide them their own listening experience based on their own audio profile. The setting up process is quite easy. All you have to do is follow the on-screen instruction and you will be good to go in just a minute. It comes with a social mode that intentionally lets background noise to go in so you can speak to people while listening the music without removing your Nuraphone. Using the Nura app, you can set up and customize the touch command for both left and right touchpads, and Nura app provides lots of options that you can perform with gestures on Nuraphone. The touch sensor, the touchpad provided are of very nice quality and they perform perfectly every single time, so you won't feel any issue while performing any kind of gesture on Nuraphone. Talking about the sound quality, this is where Nuraphone excels because it provides a special audio experience based on your hearing profile, and because of the very impressive passive and also active noise cancellation, you get very immersive experience while listening music on Nuraphone. So it does not matter what kind of music you listen, you will enjoy it on Nuraphone for sure, as the dedicated custom audio profile will provide you a very nice audio experience. The active noise cancellation is not that great and the humming is quite strong compared to other active noise cancellation headphones. So personally, I will prefer to keep it off all the time because the passive noise cancellation itself is just brilliant and you don't need active noise cancellation actually on Nuraphone. Talking about the battery life, you will get around 15 hours of battery life with active noise cancellation turned on. If you turn it off, then you will get around 17 to 18 hours of battery life quite easily. And as I have mentioned, you can even charge it while listening music using your smartphone in wired condition. The microphone provided on Nuraphone are good enough for audio conversation. They are not of very great quality and they will be good enough for your daily usual audio calling etc. activities. Overall, Nuraphone is a very impressive and unique headphone that you will find currently in the market. It is a bit expensive compared to other high-end and popular active noise cancellation headphones because it comes with lots of hardwares and sensors to provide you a custom and unique audio experience. But it also comes with some drawbacks like the lack of physical buttons, a special charging port and cables, and an active noise cancellation option that is quite inferior compared to other devices. But if you want to have a unique audio experience, especially customized for you, then this is the headphone that you should buy. So that's all for now, friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.